Congratulations from Shanghai KAFA Automation Technology. After hard work, we have completed our customer requirement. Customer given us this temperature meter as the input. His requirement was something like that. Into factory, normally after completing this manufacturing, the human need to test it, but human cost is so much. To reduce the cost, we have used automated robot to test instead of using the human. The thing is that the idea is that at first this temperature meter will be, at first you see here we have the temperature source. It will take the temperature input from that hot water and it will automatically trigger the temperature. Then camera will take this input. Afterward, it will compare these two temperatures. If the temperature become within the range of variation, then it will be okay. If it beyond the range of the temperature, it will store into the error part. This is the error tray, and this is the accurate product. This is tray storage. It can take together up to 20 trays one upon another. After completing the temperature meter production, the worker put tray here, something like that, and one upon another. Yes, you can see like that. We put, you can put up to 20 trays. You can put something like that. According to the surface of the temperature meter, we have created a shape so that it get a perfect position on that tray. It doesn't move anywhere. It get a position perfectly, so accurately. You see here? Perfect. This is the 6-axis robot. This is the main functionality of this project. Instead of using human being, we have used a 6-axis robot to make more quick and less costly product. We have used a robot from Eastern company. It could be other robot like from Japanese KAFA or American brand, no problem. If you want, we can choose according to your cost management, no problem. And it has 6 degrees of freedom. You can see a grab. It can grab so easily. Grabbing. Here you can see the grab we have designed. Sorry. See, perfectly it grabs. It doesn't move. So perfectly, this part we have designed. It grabbed the temperature meter so perfectly. Turn on the machine. Yeah, it's coming down. The ball screw is moving. Yeah. It's going down. It's loading only one piece, yes. Wow. Yeah, test is going on. Yes. Match the temperature. vision.
它是里面是一个锥形的冷气放在热水里面，你这整个传热你都要有损失的。
Yes.
里面这就没办法得到说你设定多少东西的。
Yeah, it's wrong. It's a wrong product.
产品不是对的吗？
Pick up the temperature meter, trigger, and get the input temperature. And match with the vision, set up limit. It is okay, therefore it's returned. Next one. Trigger, okay. Yeah, it is wrong product. Therefore, it put in next one. Trigger, temperature check, and match with our threshold value. If it both is accurate, put in the same position. If any product, yes, finish. This start finish, and go to the next sheet. The next tray is coming. See, next tray is going. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming under the unloading part. Yes, pick up the tray and put on the storage. Yes, it is coming down. Yeah, it's coming to conveyor belt. Yes. Yeah, start to pick up. Another one coming. Yes. It put just on the top of the another one, last one. It's coming down. Yes, good job. Done.